Guys, today we are at the Heritage at Saddlebrook Ranch. This is the premium Ashton Woods home that's in this area, along with Starlight. Now, Starlight is their sister company. It's entry-level homes. These are more premium, higher-end homes.
Joseph Cintron, your real estate agent. San Antonio home insider. Joseph Cintron, your real estate agent.
Guys, look at this. Look up there. Look how beautiful that chandelier looks. Amazing, gorgeous home. Ashton Wood makes a beautiful, luxurious home. This is a luxury home in my opinion. When you walk in, you've got a bedroom to the left, and then you've got your bathroom right here. Now, let's tour the bedroom. Now, a lot of the stuff you see here, a lot of the items you see here, like the flooring, it's upgraded carpeting, and you've got a lot of upgrades in here, but you can customize this home to your personalization. You know, when you customize a home, not necessarily you got to remove walls, but you can customize as far as upgrades. Now, when you walk in here, you've got a walk-in closet in here. It's a good-sized walk-in closet for this bedroom. It's beautiful. I love it. And I love the way this model, it has that appeal. So guys, and then this bathroom is connected. This bedroom is connected to the bathroom. So basically, it could be your personal bathroom, and it also could be a bathroom for your guests when they come in. Look how beautiful the wall is all the way to the top. Now, of course, these are all extras. These are all upgrades, but you can do this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So when you come in, you're greeted into this beautiful kitchen. Look at this beautiful kitchen. I love this home. It has that custom look to it, guys. Look at this home. Look how beautiful it is. Look at the beautiful counter that you have. You know, this is granite. This is a granite countertop, and you've got the pendant lighting over there. Now, you guys can do all this yourselves if you wanted to. I'm just giving you the model's look, the feel of how they do these homes. But beautiful, spacious kitchen. You've got your countertop right here. You've got your cooktop, which is so beautiful here. And then you've got a lot of drawers, a lot of space. Look at this. You can put your pots and your pans in here. A lot of space, a lot of counter. You've got the the refrigerator right here. And you've got this, which is an upgrade, but this blows everything outdoors. Something that you don't see a lot in builders. Love the cabinetry. Look at this cabin. This is a beautiful cabinet. Beautiful, beautiful. It goes all the way to the top. These are all upgrades, of course. Now, yeah, you might need a ladder to get up there, but you've got storage, lots of it. Then you've got your pantry right in there. Beautiful pantry. And of course, stainless steel appliances. And look at the floor. Look how beautiful this floor is. It's got that wood, it's a wood floor. Yeah, this is a wood floor. Very nice, very nice. So you have your office here. This could be a library. It's roomy, and it's got a lot of light, a lot of windows. And what a beautiful home this is. I love how they did the decorations here. Look at the ceiling. Look how beautiful that looks up there. Those are, guys, you're getting ideas. Just by looking at this video, you're getting ideas on how to decorate a home. Look how I love that frame right there with that plane. It's beautiful. If I were to have a home, this is the home I'd get. It's beautiful. So immediately you have the kitchen, then you've got your main living room with a fireplace. Look how cozy this home is. It feels so cozy. I love what they did up there. Look at the ceiling. Look at the ceiling, guys. Look how they did that. It's got that old world appeal to it. And I love that they put the TV on top of the fireplace, right over it. And it's just a beautiful home, guys. And you know, a home like this in New York or in California somewhere, easily in the millions. But here, this home is only like around 500,000 plus. But they also have homes that you can actually move in that are move-in ready. This is a home that you would actually sign a contract and have it built. This is the Comal. So here you've got your dining room, which is a formal dining room. Guys, if you need a dining room, fine. But if not, this could be a second study area, or it could be a media room. Whatever you want it to be, it can be. Now, I love this. I love the flooring here. And you've got the pantry here. There's like a nook here with cabinetry. And then you have your, look at this, guys. You've got your washer and dryer right here. And you've got a sink right here, you know, and a folding station. And then you've got more cabinetry right here too. What a beautiful home, guys. Comment below if you love this home. That would be the garage entrance, but of course they're using it as their offices in there. If this house was ever to go for sale, which usually they do down the road after they've already closed out this community, they'll put the garage back. So let's continue the tour. Now, right to your right, you have one bedroom. And you have, oh, actually, there's two bedrooms. Caught me by surprise. This home has two bedrooms here and one in the front. So that's 3. And then the master, that's 4. Big home. I love this house. I love the way they decorated it. So I just love the way it looks. It's got that appeal to it. You know, the doors makes it look like a luxurious home. This is a home you would find in a bigger community that has $1 million homes. It looks so beautiful. Of course, you got your bathroom right in there with a different style of tiles that goes all the way up to the top. And then you've got your second bedroom here with this beautiful closet. And I just love how these doors, I like the color of this, the way they configured it. Another queen size bed in here. And again, you know, got room for all your furniture here. Good size home. So we go to the other side of the house and you have your beautiful master bedroom. Wow. I love this master bedroom. Look how beautiful it is, guys. This home, to me, 100%. This house here has all the appeals of a custom house, of a personalized home. Look at this, guys. You got your king size bed, number 1, full size land tables, you know, nightstands. And you've got a little nook here for a sitting area here as well. And you got another window that's over there. Look how big this home is. And then you've got, look at this, guys. Look at this huge master bath. Look how beautiful this master bath is. This house has all the appeal of a custom home, guys. Very nice home. And I love that. See, I don't like tubs, but I love this one. Because this is something you would relax after a nice, you know, after a hard week or something like that. Come in here, put some bubbles in there and just wind down. Beautiful. And then you've got this huge walk-in shower. Look how beautiful that looks. And I love that they did the tile all the way up to the ceiling. Beautiful. I love this home. And then, of course, you got your walk-in closet in here. But then you have another walk-in closet right in here. So you got your his and your hers walk-in closet. Guys, you now have your own closet space in this home. You can claim it. You got a linen closet right in here. And then of course, my favorite room of the house, which is the commode. And you can actually close the commode and stay in here. I stayed in here for hours. Beautiful home. I love this house. I just love the way it looks. I'm really impressed by the way it looks, but how the builder used every single space to make this house as roomy and as bright and brilliant as it is. Like, again, I love these doors. They're so tall. And then you've got your covered patio. I don't want to show the yard because this is not the yard you're going to get when you buy a home. But you've got the patio. And look at how beautiful that looks out there. It's covered. You've got a ceiling fan up there, so it's nice and airy out there and bright. And hey, barbecues in the summer out here are fun. So guys, comment below. Let me know what you think about this home. What do you think about this home? Do you love it as much as I do? Because I know I do. I really like this house. 2619 square foot. All the spaces are well used. The home is big, it's bright, it's airy, and you've got a lot of room. So this is 4 bedrooms. Got 1, 2, master, and then you've got the third over there, and then you've got this beautiful, again, this beautiful living area here, which could be a study or whatever. I would make this into a media room. That is what I would do. This would be a beautiful media room right here. Guys, I am impressed with this home. Love it. I'm loving this home. So let me tell you something, guys. This home is priced. You can build one just like this, and you can build it for under 500 plus. And watch the equity build on here, because these homes hold their value. Ashton Woods has been around for a while. Good quality builder. They got incentives for you guys. They have incentives where if you've got a government loan, you've got the percentage rates that are low. You know, a conventional loan could be 4.1%, but hey, that's better than the outgoing prices out you have now for a house that's a pre-owned house, right? Guys, what are you looking for getting into an old house? Get into a brand new home. Check out all these videos that I'm showing. If you like this content, like, subscribe for more. Guys, I want to thank you so much for being at this tour. And guys, tomorrow is Mother's Day, right? Happy Mother's Day to you guys out there, May 10, 2026. Be blessed and all the well to you guys.